Good morning, boys and girls, and welcome back for math time. So let's get started with our number card. So I'm going to hold up a card. I want you to tell me what number it is. Ready? That's right, that is 5. How about, that is 8. Very nice. This one? That is 4. Good, okay. Let me see if you can figure this one out. That's 11. That is 11. Okay. So now I'm going to hold up some other cards like this one. This is just going to be dots. I want you to tell me how many dots you see. Did you say 8? That would be correct. There are 8 dots here, no matter what way I turn it. There's still 8, right? And if you ever need extra time, press pause so you can have some extra time, okay? How about this one? How many dots do you see? That is 6. Good, okay. How about here? Did you get 9? Yes, that is 9. Now there's other ways of showing numbers, right? We can show a number like this. We can show a number with dots. We can show a number with lines like this. How many lines do you see? That would be 4. So that's another way. We can always show numbers using our fingers. How many fingers are being held up here? That is 6. Good. Good, good, good. We're going to show with pictures. How many strawberries do you see? 3, right? Good. Now you can also show with something called a tens frame. And a tens frame looks like this. Now, the tens frame is made up of 10 boxes. So there's 10 boxes here. And when you fill all those boxes with a dot, that means you have 10 dots, right? So as you see on this tens frame, how many dots do we have? Just 1. So this would be a way to show 1 using a tens frame. Now we'll be using tens frames quite a bit. I just wanted to introduce it to you today. Now, we're going to be getting back into our math workbook. So, if you don't have it right now, press pause, go grab a pencil and your math workbook, okay? And then come right back and we'll get going. If you don't have your math workbook, if you weren't able to get your school in a box just yet, pencil and paper, okay? Pencil and paper. All right, go ahead and pause now. Okay, welcome back. So we're going to get into our math workbook. Make sure it's the one that says chapter 1. It has a 1 right there. And remember, we folded a page the last time so we could open it up. Oh, it takes us there. Now I'm going to straighten that back out because we're not going to go back to that page. We're going to move forward. So I want you to start off here. Turn the page. And we see here a panda, 2 pandas actually. And this is going to ask us to look at the picture of the pandas and says, what if there were 5 pandas? What if there was 5 instead of just 2? How many ears would there be if there was 5 pandas? So what they did here is started off with a picture. And these represent each of these pandas. So the X's are ears. And maybe this here, this little bubble, is their head. So this is this panda, and there's 2 ears. And this is this panda, and there's 2 more ears. So your job now is to make more of these until there's 5 pandas, and then you can count how many ears there would be. So for example, this is won 2 pandas, so if I wanted to have a third one, I would draw just like they did. And that's 3, so I have to keep going, or you have to keep going until you reach 5. And then you'll write how many ears there are right down here. Okay? Alright, so that's our first step for today. The next thing we're going to do is you're going to turn the page, just one page, so you have your, panda, and you go by this cute mama and baby kitten, and turn to this page right here. And that is page 10. Today's the 10th day of school, right? Or 11th day. So now we have 10. Now, we're going to explore numbers just like we've been doing. We're going to do it with pictures here. So right here at the top, there is the number 1, and then we're supposed to show with these circles, you're going to show the number that's next to the box, and the number that's next to this box is 1. So in here, we're going to show 1 with circles, and I'll show you how I did it. I'm going to do it right here. So I just copied what you have. You're going to do this one, and then this one, but we're going to do this one together. So I'm going to show 1 with a circle. So how do I do that? Well, inside the box, I just draw a circle, and I draw 1. There. That's all. I showed my picture of 1, just like that. So that's what you're going to do. So we did 1 together. Now show me 3 circles here. Okay? Remember, I'm going to give you directions. I might go a little bit fast for you to work with me, so you press pause, okay? Down here, this is numbers 1 to 10. How many objects are in each group? So you're going to look at these chicks, you're going to count how many there are, and you're going to write the number here. Same thing with the eggs. Count how many eggs, write the number here. Flowers, how many flowers? And write that number. Then you're going to come down here to numbers 0 to 10, and you're going to count how many spots are on the ladybugs, and then write how many spots there are on the ladybugs on the line underneath it. How many spots are on this ladybug? Right there. How about this one? Right there. This one? Right there. Okay? So that is page 10. That is what you're doing today. Please do your best. Take your time. Take your time. If you need to pause this video, if I'm going too fast, please pause it, or go back to the beginning and watch it again, okay? But take your time, all right? Do your very, very, very best, all right? And Mr. Bookman, Senor Bookman, sorry, is waiting here. He knows that you're going to do your best. I know you're going to do your best. Thank you very much. We'll see you tomorrow. Have fun with math. Have fun with it. Bye-bye.